up on GCCO. I'm currently packing for the beach. And I'm filming my dogs. Well, this isn't my dog, it's my grandma's dog, but we're watching my grandma's dog. So there's a Reese. Reese! Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. That's Hugo. Hugo! Say hi. Come here. Come here. Come here. So yeah, I'm just gonna look at these guys because they're adorable. They are really cute. Hugo, there's no one at the door. Hey guys, so I'm currently packing for the beach. This is what I have so far. We're going in about a week. No, we're going on Friday. So this vlog, we're going. And yeah, I have no clean shorts. Do you guys think 8 sweatshirts is enough for a week? I don't really know. 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Yeah, 8. Okay. I'm doing it. I should fit this in my suitcase. Now here comes the problematic part I have every time I'm packing. What sweatshirts to bring? Hey guys, it's like 12 o'clock right now, and that means it's my half birthday. So yay. Yeah, everyone's like asleep in my house, so this is really awkward. But I just wanted to say that. So yeah.
Hey guys. I am going to my friend's house and we are gonna go swimming. So yeah. Hello guys. I'm playing Minecraft. Say hi. I'm here with this person I met.
guys, we're at the beach. We got here last night, as you guys probably saw from the beach montage. And look at so we vlogged here last year, but again the vlog's stuck on my old computer, which I can't access the video, as you guys may have realized the past 2 vlogs. But yeah, if you guys have any idea on how to get memory off of a desktop, like a Mac desktop, help me, please. Please do. Anyway, it's really nice, and we're going to go to the beach soon. But Charles is watching the Olympics, so we can't go to the beach because he won't come with me. And yeah. So I'll update you guys or do whatever. I don't know. I'll do more of a day. Hey guys, so I am currently trying to find sunscreen. I'm gonna film you.
We're watching the Rio 2016.
Hello. You always make the same face. You make this like really wide-eyed face whenever you're on camera.
What?
Whenever you're on camera, you make your eyes like really big. We just went to the beach as you guys saw, but we came back earlier than we expected because it was really rough water. And so that's why we're back here. Yeah, okay, so Team USA! Charles over there sporting his beautiful USA wear. So we're gonna go get ice cream. I may bring you guys along, but probably won't. I don't know how to hiccup. And I just showered. I was gonna go back tonight and bring our dog, but my Coco. So I'm sharing a room with her. See? Yeah, Coco. How you like being in a room with me? What are you gonna do? So no. You gonna leave? Bye. Yeah, tired. Anyway, we're about to go to the beach, take her to the beach because they have laws or rules where you can't take the dog to the beach at certain hours. So yeah, we're about to do that. You can go to the beach, Coco. Yeah, go to the beach, go. You're gonna go to the beach. Are you gonna go to the beach? You're gonna go to the beach? You're gonna go to the beach? Yeah. You're gonna go to the beach. Are you excited to go to the beach? for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys all next time. I right don't know who the subscriber of the week is. The subscriber of the week is on screen right now. Go check out their channel because why not? I forgot to say this, but cheese puff.